Good evening. My name is Pamela King, and I'm with King Primo Creations, and Creations is spelled with a K. Tonight, we are going to make this backpack cover, and it's a flap. It starts out just like this. This is the flap that's on the backpack, and it's sold as a piece, and you can buy additional flaps like that. So I'm making myself a second flap. This one has the business logo, and this is a huge backpack. Let me tell you. I actually have stuff in it, and you got all these pockets on the front. Just folds over, clips in, just like that, and it's really, really adorable backpack. You got the side pockets. One is a zipper side, and the other side is a mesh side. And then on the back, you have the straps. And this is where it connects on the back, just like that. And I'm telling you, I'm loving this backpack. I carry it everywhere I go now. And it's just an adorable, great accessory. It holds up very well. So this is a perfect backpack for someone in college, high school, middle school, someone who's carrying a lot of books, and it is very durable and will last you. So I'm going to make the second cover, and my other cover is actually going to be my queen design that you see a lot of. That's on my water bottles and everything, and I don't even have anything up here with it on there. But it's this queen design. I printed it on my Epson F570, and now we're going to press this. So for the flap, what you do is you're going to lint roll it first. And I already did it, but you'll lint roll it. And I don't think you can see that table. So we just do a quick lint roll. And you're doing that because of the blue. And the way I'm doing this is the buckle is going to hang off the side because the heat press will melt this. So I'm hanging that off the side. I'm not worried about the part up here. It'll be just fine. The design is just printed just a little bit larger than the flat part, which is fine. And I'm just going to line it up here. And you can pro spray it if you're concerned about keeping it in place. So I've determined the middle by folding it in half where the design, so that the edge of the design meets the other edge. And then I put a little crease at the top there. And then that's how I know where the center is for here. Now usually you see where I decoupage it or rip the paper. This time you can see it's got pretty clear, crisp edges. And that's because I just cut it, and that's fine. And what I'm doing here is I'm just lining it up so that I'm making sure that my name is on there. And like I said, you could pro spray it just to make sure that it doesn't move. I'm just using a little bit of tape on opposite corners just to hold the paper down. It's not holding the flap down, it's just holding the paper. Then I'm going to put another sheet of protective paper over that. And you see me keep checking to make sure the buckle is down because I have melted a buckle before on the pet collars. This heat press is a DC-16 George Knight, and it's set at 405 degrees for 1 minute 15 seconds. Conde, which supplies where the backpack came from in the flap, recommends 400 degrees for minute 10. So I've gone 5 seconds more and 5 degrees more because of the fact that this heat press is a little bit smaller than theirs. And so I had to compensate. And also because I do have some black in there, and I want to make sure that black fro gets really, really done well. So that'll take about another minute. So again, let me tell you about this backpack. It came from Conde, and you saw that was a white flap, and I just decorate this. It is absolutely phenomenal. I go through backpacks like crazy. I typically don't carry them anymore because of my back, but this one I do carry for short distances. I don't tend to pack it like I used to because I can't deal with the weight, but it's great for carrying my portfolio books. And you'll see I have my little portfolio here, and I take this everywhere because it has some of my designs and paperwork, brochures in it that I carry. And this goes with me from the house to the truck, and that's where it goes. And it stays there. It's great for the pens and pencils. You got 3 little pockets there. That beep says we're done. So, I mean, this backpack is really, really a good backpack. So I'm going to lift it up gently, because I don't want to shift the paper. And it's hot. So, now, and actually I probably could have laid it, let me see. No, okay. So, what do you think? Isn't that gorgeous? And I did do a blue. And let me show you this way. So, I did do it in a blue background. The reason why I put a blue on there is because that way if it gets dirty, it's really hard to see. For me, a 12-year-old or 13-year-old who gets dirt everywhere, that might be a different story. So you might want to go with a gray background. You can see a little bit of a crease there, but that's okay. It'll come out as it's used. This can be washed. So I have washed the other one. Throw it in the wash and dry. You can dry it on low heat. And but I typically, when I wash mine, I just take it out and hang it up to dry. Because it's so thin, it won't take that long to dry at all. But that's my queen backpack. And that flap is going to go on there so I can interchange them back and forth, back and forth. So, thank you so much for joining me at King Primo Creations video. I just had to share that with you. And thank you, Conde, for supporting a veteran small home-based business, because that's what I am. I am a veteran small home-based business. And Conde has been a really great vendor for me to purchase things from. And I encourage you to buy from your veteran small home-based businesses. Buy from me. I'm King Primo Creations with a K. You can see me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and email. It's still King Primo Creations with a K at gmail.com. You know, let me know what you want, and we can make it. There's almost 4,000 items that I can get my hands on and make just for you, whether it's you as an individual or you as a company. Remember, if you're purchasing from me, you're supporting your veteran, you're supporting a small home-based business. That is the best thing you can do for any veteran or any home-based business or any small business, is by purchasing from them. We're not looking for handouts. We're just looking for your business, the business that you give freely to those big conglomerates who really don't need you as much as we do. But I'm not saying don't buy from them, because I buy from them too. So, but support your veteran small home-based businesses. Reach out to me, like me, subscribe, follow, and keep in touch with us. Purchase from us. Let us know if we can help you and how we can help you. Thank you so much for joining us tonight, and you have a blessed day.